Hi, my name is Ferdinand Detres with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. We're here at the home of Meghan and Colby Lehr, where the Corps of Engineers is currently finishing up its 10,000th blue roof under the Blue Roof program here in Lake Charles, Louisiana.
So today we've got the 10,000th blue roof, so that is pretty significant for this area. From all over USACE, we've got many different districts coming here together to support the people of Louisiana. Then we have these contractors that are coming in and have done just an amazing job, doing great work, really getting people here quickly, getting their crews up and running, and getting their crews on the roof and getting it done.
Meghan Lehr tells us why her and her husband Colby decided to sign up for the Blue Roof program.
When Laura came through, we actually had someone come out and patch our roof, which we got a bill for that for $2,800. And they did it wrong, so it was causing more water to get in the house. My parents actually put down money to where we can get on the list, and it'll still probably be like December before we get a roof.
And 10,000 is no easy feat, and so 10,000 is really an amazing number, and we want to celebrate that today, that we have that many families in this community across these 6 parishes that we can truly say that they're better off.
I've tried to do it myself, and it didn't turn out nearly as great as what these guys are able to do.